I had a great problem when I started all this exercise, because I was not able to draw. I wanted to do some matrix multiplication on some points, and I wanted to draw these points, and I faced lot of problem, because whenever I tried to put in Excel, it is not giving a point, it was giving a line. Have you got line or finished? It is, you are getting line. This is the issue. What Ritu is getting? Line. But what you want? Point. And this was so embarrassing, no? Almost 6 months I have to struggle for this. You will not believe. And one fine day I have to purchase 5 MATLAB books. I purchased to draw a point at my own. I want to put the coordinates, and I want to get that point, and it was so difficult by that time. So, when we learn something, it appears to be very simple, but it is really a difficult problem. And I am telling you, this learning, today's workshop, if you are serious student, this learning of a point means you are cross 60% of your learning, because this information you can use repeatedly in your future things. For that you need, you will not be requiring guidance from anybody. Now you know that you reached US, now you will go anywhere you want, but reaching US is a problem. So, like that, drawing a single point is an issue. When you can draw a single point, then this Hindi में बोलते हैं ना, दुनिया मुट्ठी में है. I felt like that, and how I got, you know, that one professor from Germany, he replied when I raised this question in internet forum, that how I can draw a point. Only one answer I received, and that is from Germany, Peter, and he told, he guided me, you do that and you will get it, and that is in MATLAB, not in Excel. But later I could follow that philosophy, and I have done it in Excel. So, it was so difficult thing, and that fellow, he is PhD in physics and as well as PhD in mathematics, and now he is at 82 of age. And that who helped me this, I remember him, because after that actually all these things, no, what I am doing now is starting there. Otherwise, this was a bottleneck for me. This bottleneck was broken that day. So, I will draw that it should not be a line, it should be a point. Okay. So, I have to do that. So, I want x, I require for a point x and y. Okay. This is first requirement. So, 5 and 7. So, here what you have to do, insert scattered, and then this scattered with lines and markers, this you can put, and right click, right click and select data, add, and here this is edit series name, you can write down your whatever name you want to give, and then series x values you have to select only x, and then series y values you have to select only y. Now, you see this. and if you want to put grid line, then right click again, add measure grid lines. This will be your point. Okay. So, in that way you can put any point, and if you know whether it is 5 and 7, by visually you cannot see, no. If you want to label it, right click on that and add data label. I am showing this thing, add data label, and then you see 7 has come. That means, you will get automatically the y value, but you have to option, you want to give right click on that and format data labels, and here you have options, you can add series name, x value, y value, all close. Then you see this point 5 and 7 has come. So, if you want to pinpoint that what is the values of the point, you can do that, very simple. Raise your hand if it is completed. Okay. So, next is draw 2 points. Points I have given. Now, I will not go to this, and this file you should save, and you should email me, so that I can see this leisurely, because when we do these things, no, we follow many. I have seen many people follow differently this trick. So, I can guide you what should be the actual. Now, draw 2 points 2, 3 and 7, 9. Hmm? Last step for point. This one. This is right click, and then this format data labels you can change here. I will follow again, I will do it again. Now, I removed all the labels, this select this point and then right click, and this add data label, this is the thing, add data label. Okay. Then you will get y value, but you have a choice, right click and then you can add this format data label, this last one, and then you can add this. There are hundreds of options in Excel, okay, but if you want to learn all these options and then do math, it will be your first year will go in that. So, that is not desirable. So, I have picked up few tools, 2-3 tools. I will you will see that I have picked up 2-3 tools. With that, you can able to solve your 90% mathematical problems. Rest 10% you require some other tools. So, this is also another good thing to join my workshop, because this crisply I know that these are the required things, and readily you are getting this. If you have to experiment and do it, it will take years of time. Then draw 2 points, and when you finish, just raise the hand, I will not wait for you. Okay. Abhishek, over. Draw 2 points, simple. You have to select x and y separately, that is all. For 2 points, if you select all x's, then it will be a line, is not it? 2 points over. Ritu?
I am clicking y in series y values, but it is taking 0 value.
Just I will repeat it. Suppose your x and y is 2 and 3 and then 7 and 9, and two ways you can do that depending on your requirement. Scattered, you can select this. So, it will be 2 points. So, you see this, it has taken 2 and 7 and 3 and 9. So, it has taken these vertical points. So, if you do not want that, you want that 2 3 and 7 9. So, what to do for it? You can right click and then select data and then edit the series, and you have to select all. It has what problem it has created, it has taken. You see this, it has taken x 1 x 2 is 2 3, not 2 and 7, and it should be 3 and 9. X should be 2 and 7 and 3 and 9. Now, you see this, you got 2 points, but it is a line without connection, it is not separate points. Separate points, if you want to draw, you have to give them separate, you have to select them separately, you cannot select in 2 and 3 directly. Okay? This is the difference. Now, okay. Now, draw a line 1 1 and 5 7. This is very simple, or add in that. Here one points are there are 2 points, so you are adding a line in that same graph. So, add this graph and then just select x 1 x 2 and then y 1 y 2. These are the different option. Earlier it was scattered points, now it is converted to line. Okay, up to this. Next is our we have to draw a line y is equal to 5 x plus 3. You can use different worksheets like that. Y is equal to 5 x plus 3. If it is over, raise hand. Very good. What is the x values we have taken? Hmm? Hmm? X is 5, x1, x1, y1, what are the points? No, I draw a line y is equal to 5x plus 3.
एक्स वैल्यू तो
Hmm.
कई ले एक्स वैल्यू
हाँ, yes. So, what you have taken?
मतलब एक्स तो कुछ भी मतलब जो
Hmm.
वही नहीं
हाँ, तो क्या लिया क्या?
एक्स मैंने 5 लिया
हाँ, और?
वाई इज इक्वल टू 28 आया
हाँ, और नेक्स्ट
एंड देन 9
x equal to 9.
नहीं ये लाइन चार्ट में
एक पॉइंट से कैसे लाइन होता है?
पॉइंट्स ने एक्स और वाई 2 पॉइंट्स में
एक का 2 वैल्यू लिया ना?
5 लिया
5 लिया और क्या लिया?
दो के लिए दूसरा
आपको हुआ? नहीं हुआ? क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है बताइए? हाँ, हाँ, एक्स एंड वाई कैसे ले? अभिषेक नहीं हुआ? क्यों? क्या प्रॉब्लम? प्लॉट नहीं हो रहा है। हाउ? आप आ जाइए इसको थोड़ा कॉर्ड को आ जाइए, आप बोर्ड में आ जाइए। y इज इक्वल टू 5x प्लस 3. What you are trying?
एक्स की वैल्यू जैसे हमने 0 ली तो वाई बराबर 3 आ जाता
हम्म
और 1 लेंगे
हम्म तो नहीं हो रहा है।
तो उसमें एक्स जब ग्राफ का लेंगे तो उसके बाद ये तो सिलेक्ट करना है
नहीं, एक से सिलेक्ट करना है, एक सीरीज।
एक्स सीरीज सेलेक्ट करना है
हाँ, देन वाई सीरीज, both x you select and then it will be there. Okay, your approach is okay. Your approach is also okay. Finished?